Hey everyone, back again, another video to help you out. This I'm showing you how to remove the human-machine interface module from this 2018 Buick Encore. I'm pulling this to show you where it is. I'm pulling it from a junkyard car that has had an unfortunate accident. But I pulled the radio out in another video. Well, not the radio, but the screen and the display. And in doing so, I found the HMI module, so I'm showing you where that is. I don't know what it's necessary to make it work in another vehicle if you need to replace it, but if you're just looking for it, maybe you need to send it out or get it tested, or you have another one and you're just replacing it, this is where you'll find it. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a panel removal tool. You can pick those up from Harbor Freight or Amazon or anywhere like that. You'll need to remove this panel right here. It's just held in with clips. As you're removing that, this bezel here will come loose as well. This is all the clips that hold that in, so you can just snap it back in place when you're done. This piece right here obviously came loose as well. It has your button for your start stop if you have that option, and all your clips, they'll snap it back in place. You'll have a 7mm bolt right here to remove, and another one right here to remove on the radio display, the navigation screen. You'll pick up on the bottom of it and pull it straight down. These are just locating pins on top. You'll have two plugs right here to remove, and you can set it to the side, and then directly behind it is where you'll find your HMI module. Now obviously I've already removed this to save time. You'll have two fingers down here you'll have to press down on and pull the module to you. Now you won't have a whole lot of slack on this because you've got all these plugs in there, but if you just go through systematically and carefully and release the security clip on each one of these to remove it, it's actually not too bad. For all of these, you just squeeze the top of these and pull it out of the back of the module, like that one for example. Now the one that ran into the most problems for me was this one, and it's because it's got this red keeper clip right there in it, just to keep it from coming out by accident. So I had to, again, you've only got about this much slack in the wiring, so you don't have a lot of room, so I had to sneak my tip of my screwdriver in behind this and pop this red clip out just a little bit. It doesn't go out very far, maybe like half an inch, maybe not even that, maybe a quarter of an inch, and then you'll be able to squeeze that and then remove it. But then also you'll have then your last plug right here to remove. You'll squeeze this portion right there, and then you'll be able to remove your HMI module. These are all different designs, so you can't mess it up putting it back together, but if you're looking for your HMI module and you're wanting to replace it, that's where you'll find it. If this helped you out, drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below as well, and I'll help you out as best I can. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next one.